You know what? It's taken me a few years, but I think I may have found the perfect couples travel trailer. Hey, what's up? It's Chris Young. Welcome to the Jayco Jay Feather 26 FK. To me, this is probably one of the ideal couples coaches. It comes in at roughly 7,090 pounds dry. You're looking at 33 feet, 10 inches. It will sleep probably up to 4, but to me, this is a true couples coach. And mainly because you have a front kitchen, a ton of space, versatile storage, and a pass-through bathroom with a separate entry in your bedroom. But I'm gonna step out the way because I want you to see this. Look at not only the space and flow, but look at my windows, look at the bright decor, look at it. I'm loving it. I got my stainless steel with the high-rise pull-down sprayer, plus I got the veggie washer, the sanitization station, my cup sprayer, and all the prep space that I could need or want when it comes to making a really good camp-cooked meal. I got space there. I got 75 pounds on my drawers. They're all full extension on drawer guides. You have no heating ducts in the floors. They're all in the cabinetry, so you won't get any soft spots in your floors, and I'm a big fan of that. All my doors are also glazed, hideaway hinges. I got my LED lights. Would have liked to see some recessed LED lights because a lot of manufacturers are doing that these days, but the Jay Feather line to me is a good combination of quality, premium fixtures, premium upgrades without breaking the bank. So is it top of the line luxury? Some places feel like it, but I dig it. They gave me an awesome decorative backsplash. I got the curved Envision range hood for my glass covered 3-burner cooktop and my 16-inch range. And I do believe I have a pot and pan drawer under there as well. But you'll also notice you got a little spot underneath. Not a big thing, but if you got big feet, you got a little bit of room to not be knocking your toes up against the bottom of your cooktop. If you've been in the RV and done that before like I have, you'll know what I'm talking about. The rest of you are like, Chris, maybe you should go see a doctor. Now, I got storage beside my microwave. I got the 11 cubic foot 12 volt fridge freezer combo, which is also Envision, that has the acrylic front. My flooring upgraded, easy to clean. My dinette, talk about easy to clean. All of your cushions, which these are 4-inch thick, also have a special coating on them that's gonna keep them stain resistant. My dining table, and here I'm gonna slide this out a little bit. You'll notice that it's not attached to the wall. It's also pretty lightweight and easy to get around. I like that. It doubles as the base for your dinette if you want to turn it into a bed. And yes, you do have storage under both sides, but all you got to do to bring it down, boom. Now it can double as a coffee table for your recliners as well. But this is the base for your bed. And yeah, you do have power over there. All your windows are framed out. You got the wood valances as well. And your curtains are true blackout shades with a reflective barrier on the back, really kind of helping with keeping the coach cool. That's going to go a long way because you have tremendous insulation in here. You got the 2-pound block foam, plus you got vacuum bonding and stuff like that. And this one being the fiberglass, it's climate shield protected. So your temperature rated 0 to 100 degrees. I got a 15K BTU Coleman Mach AC up in the roof that's also ducted. You can adjust and close these if you need to. My entry point right here has a little closet, just like your home does. Storage space right there. And across from that is going to be my Suburban tankless water heater, as well as my upgraded BM Pro command system. Now, what's cool about this is you have the J Command Smart RV system. Scan that QR code with your cell phone. Now you can control a lot of the features of your 26FK from your cell phone. And as far as your tanks go, pretty sweet tank sizes on the coach that's under 35 feet long. 55-gallon fresh, 91.5-gallon gray, and how about a 30.5-gallon black? You want to go off the grid? Go for it. But what are you going to do for entertainment? Well, you pretty much already see it, but let's talk about it. You know, little known fact, I don't actually watch TV, Ryan. I read the classics at night. Yeah. Classic comic books, that is. Now, I got awesome plush, what's this chick's name? So I got these beautiful Stacy Stewart plush stain resistant recliners right here with my 5-inch console, cup holders, right across from my oversized TV with component shelf, IRV Technologies entertainment system, and my InnoFlame fireplace. I like this because they even gave me a spot underneath the fireplace. So if I do have cold boots, cold shoes, whatever, I can throw them in there. You got roughly 4,700 BTUs of heat coming off of there. Multi-flame setting, multi-light setting. Really does a good job of giving you some ambiance across the coach as well. Entertainment system is awesome because I can see it whether I'm cooking, eating, or chilling. I'm surrounded by giant windows. Just take a look at the visual coverage you have in your slide. Practically the whole space is a window. Plus I got my mushroom lights. I just can't get over. I see everybody doing the recess lights. I wish they would have done it here. But my favorite part about this coach is right here. And let me show you why. So my friends and family tell me that the biggest knock to RVs is sometimes flow. Being able to move around when they need to move around, much like they do in their house. Having a double entry bedroom with a pass-through bathroom alleviates a lot of that. If I'm in here showering, brushing my teeth, getting cleaned up, getting dressed, whatever, somebody needs to get to the kitchen, they don't have to mess with me, I don't have to mess with them. If somebody's sleeping out here in the dinette, they need to go to the bathroom. Not gonna mess with me, not gonna mess with them. Absolutely love the pass-through bathroom. Go ahead, Ryan, I'll meet you in here. Now you'll see you have your radial shower right here. I got the oversized skylight. I got the upgraded shower wand. And the thing with neo-angle corner showers, sure, they're not huge, but you still have enough room to move around and get clean what you need to get clean. And the contact glass is gonna give me some privacy. Now with this being the upgraded package, I'm gonna have the max vent fan in here as well. So that's gonna move about a foot of air per second. And when it comes to my space, as far as toilet goes, high-rise porcelain bowl, plenty of room. My vanity is pressed surface with the undermounted sink, oversized mirrored medicine cabinet, and oversized linen storage underneath. Once again, great for a couple, but if you probably have more than 3 or 4 people, the space in here as far as what you're gonna put is probably going to be tight, which is why I like having this for a couple. Hangers for my towels or robes, plus tankless water heat on this bad boy, even have a little storage spot right there. But when I step into my primary bedroom, yeah, dude, they gave me a king-size bed and a slide, reading lights. I actually have a storage spot on the side, which could fit a CPAP machine if you have the travel one. USB charging, 110. Strut supported storage up above. Second AC. Makeup / prep station right here with a beautiful window. I got windows on all sides, allowing not only great light, but great cross breeze as well. And when I want to get some more storage, I got strut supported under my king size bed with the foam mattress topper. I got ward space right here. And I got ward space right here, which is also washer dryer prepped. Drawers there, chest of drawers here. Tell me they didn't maximize the space in this beauty. They gave me solar charge controller so I can have access right here. I can run my slide out from the bedroom if I need to, and I can even go in and out if I want to. So if you and the loved one want to get up and go check out the moonlight on the river, go look at the mountains, whatever, without waking up the kids sleeping in the dinette, boom, come and go as you please. Get cleaned up without disrupting them. What a great flow for an active couple that wants to get out and have beauty, comfort, and space to do whatever they want when they camp. Dude, I think we found it. So let's go check out the outside. Now, as I mentioned, this is the Premier package. So you're gonna see a few things on the outside for this one that you might not see on the regulars. For example, you got the BAL 5.1 stabilization system on this one, plus you got that beautiful molded front cap. But there's that window that I was talking about inside the kitchen. Absolutely love that. I got the awesome frame on this one, the next gen frame. Right there's my stabilizer jacks. Plus we do have the enclosed underbelly and my pass-through storage, which love the side opening doors. To me, that just makes life a little bit easier. Now, it might be tough space-wise if you need to store big things like chairs or whatnot. But hey, I'm willing to give that up based off of everything that I have on the inside. I also got my light controls there. Back of your Suburban tankless water heater there, as well as back of your furnace. Do yourself a favor, don't make the mistake I made and accidentally put your camp chairs there and forget about them. Now, enclosed underbelly, solid step over steps. You got TPMS on your aluminum rims right here, with the extra wide berth in between your Dexter Easy Lube axles with the never adjust on them. Now, what I like about that is the safety. What I really like about it is the type of TPMS that they have, because it's gonna monitor the pressure as well as the temperature. Number one cause of RV accidents, tire blowouts. That right there, extremely handy to have. Oversized awning with the LED light strip covering my campsite here, and if I wanna put some entertainment out, I absolutely can. Solid steps leading me into the primary bedroom, and they even gave me a little outside mini kitchen. LP Quick Connect should be nearby as well. I believe it is, right over there. And you got your ladder mounted on the back, backup camera prep, receiver if you want to throw maybe bike rack or something like that on the back, and shower with hot and cold. Then on the off-camp side is where I'm going to see my black tank flush, CD water connection, as well as my inputs, and my dumps are going to be right down here. Boom. Now remember, your tanks on this one, 55, 91 and a half, and 30 and a half. Very good tank sizes. Throw that with the, ooh, we're going into jungle, Ryan, come on. Throw that on the fact that you have the solar panel, the solar charge controller, and all the features, plus the vacuum bonded construction, the insulation that they have, the 2-pound foam, the foil barriers, climate shield protected 0 to 100 degrees. Just an awesome coach. I never like using the term 4-season, because I don't know where you live. 4 seasons is gonna be different Buffalo to Albuquerque. So use a little bit of common sense when it comes to that. But right here is gonna be your info panel. That's where you come to see how much does the coach weigh. So our dry weight, we're looking at 7,090 pounds. Gross vehicle weight is gonna be roughly 8,700 pounds. The difference in that is how much you can store in it. But you bring that information to your specialists at Camping World and you say, hey, here's what I can tow, here's how many people I need to sleep, and here's where we're gonna go camping. We'll find the RV of your dreams, guaranteed. But for a couple that's looking for the right travel trailer, I think you just found it, man. From the kitchen to the pass-through bathroom to the king-size bed in my bedroom. Love every single thing about this. It rocketed to the top of my list. Leave me some comments down below and let me know what you think, though. And while you're at it, please click like, subscribe, and notify, so the next time we do one of these, you're the first one to get it. And if you say, Chris, I want to come see it, awesome. rv.campingworld.com, or just come on into your local Camping World. I'll even put a link down below for you. But thank you for joining me today. Hope you enjoyed the Jayco Jay Feather 26FK. I'll see you soon.